Welcome to your horoscope for today, Wednesday, October 9th, 2024. The moon in your 4th house shows you feel more comfortable with yourself. You might be more intuitive, so this is a good time to listen to your heart and see how it guides you.
It's my birthday. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm 27.
Okay, hey you guys. If you couldn't tell from the beginning of this video, but today is actually my 27th birthday. So I'm just gonna be doing a little vlog. Nothing crazy going on today. I've decided to keep this birthday pretty chill, pretty cutesy, pretty demure. What did I do today? So today I got up. I just had a really slow morning. I spent not a lot, but I spent some portion of this morning kind of reading some of my old journals from when I was a little kid and like seeing what I was doing on those birthdays. It was really cute and really nostalgic. So I was doing that. I read, I journaled this morning, had my breakfast. I was gonna order breakfast and then I was craving something like semi-healthy, just a little bit like, I don't know, nutritious. I feel like as I've gotten older, I don't know why, but I've just been craving a lot of like home cooked meals, and so that's what I had today. Just my traditional oats. Got dressed kind of, and I went on a little walk, which was fun. Grabbed some coffee. Then I came home, showered, got dressed, and now we are here. I'm doing my makeup a little bit. I'm not really going anywhere today, but I just wanted to, you know, get ready and figured I will film while I do that. So for the rest of the day, actually, like right after this, I don't know, I might make a little bit of a tea. It's really, not really cold, but it's really starting to like cool down here in Ontario. So I might just grab like a tea and just kind of like chill for a second, and then I'm going to cook. Today, I want to try a new recipe that I saw on TikTok. These like meat ham pies. I don't know, they looked so good. So I want to make some of that. And like I said, again, I've been like really craving home cooked meals these days. So I'm gonna make that. I'm gonna make lasagna, pie, yeah, birthday cake, of course. So it's gonna be a whole feast. I'm very excited. So I'm gonna do that. I'm starting kind of early with all the cooking and stuff just because I've never made this hand pie recipe before, so I kind of just want to try it out. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. But so far, pretty chill birthday. It's really crazy that I don't know, that I'm 27 years old. I feel like that's such a strange age to be. Like, I'm suddenly very old all of a sudden, and not very, I'm being dramatic, but I don't know, it's just so strange. Me and my friend were talking about that today. A friend who I'm also going to be FaceTiming later, so she may or may not make an appearance in the vlog, so you can say hi to her when that happens. But yeah, just a really chill day. It's actually really nice outside. Mine is kind of like the chill in the air. It's actually kind of like sunny and like blue skies, which is so nice. My friend lives, that I'm going to FaceTime later, she lives in Australia, and she said it was really nice over there too. So yeah, I feel like this birthday's just been like one of those ones where I'm like, okay, 27 now. It was just very like, I feel like it just came so suddenly. I know we say that all the time, that life goes by so fast, but this year, like 26 flew by. It really kind of caught me off guard this week. I was kind of just like, what did I even do this year? What did I even accomplish this year? Like, what the hell? But I feel like, I don't know, not to get deep, but I feel like life is just kind of like that sometimes. Like, you just kind of have years where it just kind of like, you don't really do anything, kind of just have some of those like lull periods. And I feel like since COVID, I've had several lull periods, but I don't know, I feel like it's just prepping me for something really exciting. And I feel like this year in particular, I have a lot of exciting things happening with like going back to school next year and all of that. So even though it's been pretty chill, I feel like that's okay. So yeah, but anyway, just thought I'd pop in and say hello. Probably most of this vlog isn't going to be really much of me talking. I hope that's okay. But honestly, I really hate editing talking clips of myself. I don't know why. I find them so boring. So I hope you guys are okay with that. But anyway, I'm going to continue doing my makeup. Maybe I'll watch some YouTube while I do this. And then I'll pick you guys back up probably when I'm about to start checking it up. So to say, pop in and say hello. But I'm actually gonna start cooking right now because I don't know how long this meat pie thing is gonna take. So I'm making those meat pies that I said from TikTok, a lasagna, I think some veggies, and I'm also making a pie. So let's get started. I have dishes to do actually, now that I'm looking at them, but I'm gonna do those first and then we're gonna get cooking. So I probably won't be talking to you till later, but I'll film. Oh, and this is the fit. The sweaters from Shein, jeans are from Old Navy, little slippies. But yeah, that's all. went and cooked, but I finished dinner. Everything turned out really well. The hand pies were a bit of a trial and error, but I think after, you know, I'll practice them a few times and I'll get it. I haven't tried them yet, but they look good, so hopefully they also taste good. But yeah, it was a really cute and quiet birthday, which I think is what I needed. I just needed a day just to kind of be with myself, I suppose. But yeah, it was good. But yeah, it's now 8:30. So the day's, I was gonna say young, but it's not young. Not young anymore, but I'm going to probably just put some PJs on, take my makeup off, and I think I'm gonna watch Heartstopper season 3 again. Just chill. I got some popcorn, some Sinful Pop today, so I'm gonna have some of that, have another Coke, and just kind of chill for the rest of the night. So this is probably gonna be the last time I speak to you. So if that's the case, thank you for watching this video. I'm pretty sure this is just gonna be one video, probably kind of short, but that's okay. But tomorrow it's gonna be a separate video. I'm going to be vlogging the rest of the week, kind of the rest of my birthday week, showing you what I have planned. So stay tuned for that. Check that out. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Follow me on all my socials. It's in the bio description. In the description. And yeah, so that's all for me. Cheers to 27. See you guys later. Stop.